Trust from their bosses increases employee productivity by 50%. Distrust hinders projects, stifles creativity, and drives away talent. Having coffee with your team is fine, but not enough. You have to do more to restore lost trust. Business psychology shows that the solution has 3 parts. 1. Transparency. Communicate clearly and lead by example. 2. Autonomy. Delegate, giving your people freedom and responsibility. 3. Constructive feedback. Don't just criticize. Listen and ask questions when something goes wrong. Offer solutions. Implementing these 3 points raises the trust and motivation of your team, fosters innovation and retains talent, creates a more productive and satisfying work environment. Have you ever worked with someone who doesn't trust you? Or with someone you don't trust? How has that affected your performance and that of your team? If you think this video can help someone strengthen trust within their team, share it.